vlog's back. Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Laughin' back with another vlog. The vlog is back, as we just said. So recently my car was broken into and I actually had my camera stolen, so this is the new camera. But being without it actually kind of made me realize how much I missed the vlogs. So today's just going to be a little bit of track practice, nothing fancy, you know. Goose is going to be showing up in a little bit, but first we have to pause for this blatant continuity error so I can set up the track. Alrighty, luckily that setup only took about 6 seconds, so we're actually ready to go now. We should be able to clear the field, get everything ready to go, and get flying. Look who we found. It's your boy, Goose.
Oh, hey, look who
Oh,
it is.
hey, what's that?
Reunited. Oh, quick kiss, oh, man. You know what? That was not as cool as I thought it would be. What's up? How's that camera doing? You not using the lens?
Nah, for what?
For the sun.
Nah, ain't no sun.
I don't know, whatever. You my son.
Wrong.
Alright, so takeoff goes straight. You go around that white thing. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Now through this gate.
Alright, my dude. When you're ready.
Alrighty.
Wow. And I fucked up. Not bad.
Papa Goose putting down the hottest of hot laps.
I don't know about that, buddy, but I'm trying, Captain. I'm trying.
Your boy Goosey's packing up here. What'd you think of that practice today, Goose?
It's good. It's a way more technical course and more right side handicapness, but it's alright.
Yeah.
It's alright. It's alright. Thank God I had these nice 3D printed arm guards from Brain 3D. Shout out. Wow.
Alright, everybody, that was pretty much how the day went. I'm going to try to put some of my DVR right up here. That's why I'm trying to side frame myself a little bit. Anyway, today is really focused on the right-hand corkscrew and then the flag gate swoopy-doo that was hinted at in a multi-GP forum post. Hopefully we're going to see that on the regional qualifier course, or I guess it's the multi-GP qualifier course now. Anyway, that was really what we were out here to practice today. Hopefully it'll be a good use of time, and hopefully that will all pay off in the future. Alright, everybody, so that was a fun little flying session with Goose before he had to go back to work. Make sure to check out the video he's going to be posting. I'll have it linked at the very end of this video, so if you stick around right until then, you should be able to click on his link so you can go check out his stuff. I have some updates coming soon. I'll be making those videos and getting them out there to you as soon as I can. So if you stick around, maybe subscribe to the channel, you should be able to be the first to see those. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Alright, see you guys later.